Hello students, I am Shahaji Thomre sir from Chodeshwari Prashala, Solapur. Today I am going to present a very important poem for 10th class. The name of the poem is A Teenager's Prayer. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, in my last video I talked with you about the chit chat activities. Today I am going to present the explanation of the poem A Teenager's Prayer. आज मी तुम्हाला टीनएजर या पोएमचं एक्सप्लेनेशन सांगणार आहे. But students, before watching my video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel. And the name of my YouTube channel is Shahaji Thomre's Smart Study. So before watching video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and share videos with your friends, maximum students, in order that they will also enjoy these beautiful videos as well as knowledge. Students, माझ्या पहिल्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी चिटचॅट ऍक्टिव्हिटीज कव्हर केलेल्या आहेत. आता या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी आपणास एक्सप्लेनेशन देणार आहे. दिस पोएम is written by J. Morse, American poet, American painter, inventor Samuel J. Morse written a very beautiful poem, A Teenager's Prayer, in Marathi, एका किशोरवयीन बालकाची प्रार्थना. Students, this poem is in the form of a prayer by a teenager. The speaker is a teenager, prays to God to show or to take right direction in life. कवी देवाला प्रार्थना करतोय की त्याला जीवनामध्ये योग्य मार्ग दाखव. First stanza. Let us start. Each day brings new beginnings. Decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. Students, in the first stanza, the poet says that each and every day brings new things in our life. आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये प्रत्येक दिवस काही ना काही नवीन गोष्टी घेऊन येत असतो. He prays to God to bring cheerful day in my life. Every teenager should start the day very cheerfully. Decisions I must make. I have to take my own decision. माझा निर्णय मला स्वतःला घ्यायचा आहे. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. मला ज्या मार्गावरून मला आयुष्यात पुढे जायचं आहे तो मार्ग मला स्वतःलाच निवडायचा आहे. The teenager has to choose the right path. He should have positive thoughts in his mind. The speaker, the poet, teenager wants to be successful in life. He wants success in life. He wants success in life. So teenager prays to God that each day brings new things in our life. I want to take my own decisions. I must to take my own decisions. And on which road I want to go, I want to choose that road, that way. कोणत्या मार्गावर मला जायचं आहे तो मार्ग मी स्वतःच निवडणार आहे. स्टँजा नंबर 2. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success. or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Students, teenager prays to God that he wants to choose the successful life. He wants to choose the road which leads to success. There are two ways in our life. One way leads to great success, and another way brings a lot of problems, lot of worries and strain in our life. One way leads to success, and another is the evil way which brings a lot of worries and strains in our life. So here a teenager prays to God that I want to take the road of life which give me success in my life, or travel down the darkened road that leads to grace distress. If I choose the evil ways, if I choose the bad way in my life, definitely I would have faced a lot of problems, lot of worries, lot of strain in my life. So, teenager wants to which leads to success. It means that he or she wants to start the journey on the path of success. At the same time, he is afraid to go on the road of bad or evil things. And if, unfortunately, he or she, teenager, chooses the darkened road, he will have to face great worry or pain in life. Now, students, stanza number 3. Teenager prays to God. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. The speaker does not want frustration in life. कवीला आयुष्यामध्ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन नको आहे. He wants to pray, he prays to God to show him the right direction. Teenager knows what is right and what is wrong. Teenager prays to God that, please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Give me the vision that I might clearly see. माझे डोळे उघडू दे, मला स्पष्टपणे पाहू दे, and help me stand for what is right, bring out the best in me. So, teenagers should recognize what is right and what is wrong. The speaker wants to reveal his best qualities. Teenager prays or urges God to stand on his side. थोडक्यात, the speaker or the teenager believes in God a lot. He knows that. Teenager knows that the Lord, perhaps everyone is happy due to God. Teenager believes in God. So, help me stand for what is right, bring out the best in me. माझ्यातले सगळे गुण, सगळ्यात चांगल्या क्वालिटीज समोर येऊ दे आणि मला नेहमी सत्याच्या बाजूने उभारायची ताकद दे. मी सत्याच्या बाजूने उभं राहण्यासाठी मला मदत कर. स्टांजा नंबर 4, नेक्स्ट स्टांजा. Help Lord to just say no when temptation comes my way. Students, लक्षात ठेवा, very important line for in our life. आपल्या जीवनासाठी खूप महत्वाची ही लाईन आहे. Help Lord to just say no when temptation comes my way. टेम्पटेशन, चुकीची काम किंवा गोष्ट करण्याची दुर्दम्य इच्छा, अ स्ट्रॉंग विश टू डू समथिंग बॅड. जेव्हा वाईट गोष्ट करण्याची इच्छा मला होईल तेव्हा गॉड यू हेल्प मी टू कीप me away from those doing the bad things. God give me strength to say no when temptation comes in my mind to do something bad or wrong. जेव्हा वाईट गोष्ट करण्याचा मोह मला होईल तेव्हा तुम्हाला दूर ठेव किंवा तुम्हाला नाही म्हणण्यासाठी मदत कर. गिव्ह मी स्ट्रेंथ टू रिमेन अवे फ्रॉम डुईंग द बॅड थिंग्स ऑर इव्हिल थिंग्स इन माय लाईफ, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. Poet wants to be clean physically as well as mentally. Our inner mind should be clean. आपलं अंतर्मन स्वच्छ पाहिजे. Poet wants to be physically fit for each and every day in life. He wants to be physically fit and perfect for life every day. शारीरिक दृष्ट्या तंदुरुस्त आणि प्रत्येक दिवशी परिपूर्ण कवीला राहायचं आहे, टीनेजरला राहायचं आहे. He thinks that sound mind lives in a sound body. So he cares, or teenager cares for his body or health. He wants to be physically fit. He wants his mind always clean. Last stanza. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best. The last stanza. The speaker thinks about the days when the teenager would end. जेव्हा हे 13 to 19 years age, किशोरवयीन एज जेव्हा संपणार आहे, when the speaker would enter in adulthood, जेव्हा तो प्रौढ अवस्थेत प्रवेश करेल, at that time he will have convinced that he would have experienced good things by the guidance of God. He wants to lead perfect life, so he requests God to be with him. जेव्हा त्याचं किशोरवयीन अवस्थेतनं जेव्हा प्रौढ अवस्थेत जाणार आहे तेव्हा त्याला असं वाटलं पाहिजे की त्याने खूप साऱ्या चांगल्या गोष्टी आयुष्यामध्ये केलेल्या आहेत. अँड टीनेजर वॉन्ट्स टू गिव्ह कम्प्लीट क्रेडिट टू गॉड. त्याला अतिशय उत्तम जीवन जगायचं आहे. अँड दॅट्स वाय ही इज प्रेइंग टू गॉड दॅट गॉड यू शुड बी ऑलवेज विथ मी. तू नेहमी माझ्यासोबत असायला हवे. जेव्हा माझं टीनेज संपून जेव्हा मी अडल्टहुड एजमध्ये जाणार आहे तेव्हा मला समजेल की मी खूप चांगलं जीवन जगलो आहे, बिकॉज गॉड वॉज विथ मी. केवळ देव माझ्यासोबत असल्यामुळे. सो स्टुडंट्स, आय हॅव एक्सप्लेन्ड द होल पोएम in this video, and I want to explain some figures of speech also. The first line, first stanza, first line, each day brings new beginnings. Brings beginnings. B sound is repeated, alliteration. Decisions I must make, this is inversion. I can choose to take the road of life, this is metaphor. Travel down the darkened road, this is alliteration. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, this is apostrophe. Help Lord to say, just say no, this is apostrophe also. And second last line, that life is lived its very best, this is also example of alliteration. So students, I have explained the whole poem in this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel in order that you will get a chance to listen, to enjoy more and more videos regarding grammar, writing skills and everything. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and enjoy the videos. Thank you so much.